Now who is this one?
Stedman.
Hey, Stedman.
He's the smallest baby.
Oh gosh, I
Can
can
you open your eyes? Can you see his eyes?
Oh, there I can see his eyes. Oh my gosh,
One's
he's
not
so
quite
cute.
open yet.
Oh, he's a cute baby. Okay, go ahead and get another one.
Alright, stop filming. So Desmond. Desmond got both of his eyes open.
Desmond, let's see if we can get your eyes here, baby. Oh, there we go. I see a little sparkle, a little twinkle. Desmond, you're a cutie. You're a cutie. There he is. Don't let him jump out of your hands there. Okay, there's Desmond.
Here's Barack. There's Barack.
Hey, Barack.
He's the big boy.
Hey, Barack. Oh my God, you're cute.
He's very dark.
Oh, there he is. He's got his little eyes open too. Okay.
Certainly not least is Oprah. Oprah, she's the big girl. She's always going to have a problem with weight.
Oh, that's not nice.
She's going to be the exercise queen.
Hey, Oprah.
She's got both her eyes open and they're really cute, but she's looking at her mama. Who, she says, "There's my food." She can see her. Okay, stop. Mina's coming.